do it, guys. Some planes are coming for landing. One coming for take. EasyJet coming for takeoff. In 3, 2, 1. Takeoff. Brucey actually blocks my view. Yo, what's up, Hard Jet from PTFS?
Takeoff, mate. Yeah.
Finally, you took off, son.
That was
See that? Yeah,
Plane coming in for landing, guys.
It went.
I know, a bit wobbly.
That hurt my arms.
It's a bit of a hard jet, isn't it?
1, 2.
Wait. Love you like I love
Look, guys, it's quite hard to see at the moment. It's coming in. The little lights over there. Oh, Brewski, stop blocking my view. EasyJet for landing. Go on, son. Stop the plane. Stop the plane, bro. You taking off again or what?
Oh, you did last one.
Hey, thank you. Finally, you took off. I actually tried braking. Oh, there's a Wizz Air coming, guys. Wizz Air coming. We're gonna wait for the Wizz Air to come.
That guy was speeding. Do you see that guy in the car?
I don't know. I didn't see.
He was speeding. He was like,
There's a Wizz Air coming, guys, over here. It's quite hard to see, but you can just about see it. Look. Look, it's purple. So Wizz Air coming for a takeoff.
I thought you were about to say purple plane. I thought you were about to say purple plane.
Yo, what's
Oh,
up?
the Wizz Air. That's one you'll be flying with next time, Oliver. The Wizz.
Huh?
The Wizz. When you go to Egypt, you're going on that one.
How do you
Your
know?
mum told me.
Has he got first class?
No.
Is it like an EasyJet?
It's probably the same size as EasyJet, but it's the Wizz like that.
It looks like a
the white and purple.
1.
All right, chill down. Chill out, bro. I think
You're
you're
going to
going
be
a bit
whizzing through
fast.
the air.
The Wizz Air is coming to whiz through the air, guys.
Oh.
There's a Norwegian Air there parking up.
Got Norse. Look at that. It's quite big, isn't it?
North.
That looks like a
The Norse is coming for
777, I think.
takeoff.
I think that Norse is a
Wizz Air
777.
coming. This is the Wizz Air.
There's Wizz.
With.
You're going to go whizzing through the air.
What's the man that was there? The other one.
There's an EasyJet over there, guys.
Yeah. It's the same man that was at Red Hill, isn't it? But yeah, behind the gate here. Look there. The camera. That's the same man that was at the other place with the camera. Remember? Where we just been.
Yeah. Guys, we're going to wait for another.
He's followed.
Yeah, guys, we're going to wait for another plane there. EasyJet guys coming in for parking.
I want to sprint across that.
No, you
Me and Dad went to that side before.
I have been. We did go when we watched the Emirates take off. We stood on that side. That side, yeah.
Are you going to do it?
That's an Emirates. Not Emirates, that's an EasyJet. Ready for parking.
Should I shout EasyJet?
You shout hard jet.
I dare you, Charlie.
Okay. Hard jet! We're going to wait for another one, guys.
You still report on you.
Norse, where's Norse?
Norse is parked up now.
Behind the hill.
It's going to park. Oh guys, it's a Britain Airways ready for takeoff.
BA is quite.
There's a lot of planes going to take off.
Oh right, so that.
There's a
it's
Britain Airways
787.
over there.
That-
What is?
the Norse, the blue one and white one, is a 787 Dreamliner.
Oh, 787.
Yeah, 787 Dreamliners.
Yes, sir.
So
That's a big one.
that's a 777. So the BA there, 777 Airways. That's a big one. That's a big one.
I swear to God, all the 777 I see are British Airways.
That's the North. So look, Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
That's a big one.
So yeah, that's going to New York. Yeah, it's turning now. The North.
Alright guys, the Norse is coming for takeoff.
Going to America. Oh, there isn't any landing, is there?
1, 2, 3.
Half on guys, film set. We'll have a couple more and we'll probably have to head over to the cinema.
15 minutes.
It doesn't start at until.
Alright guys, the Norse is coming for takeoff. It's behind the bank.
Probably 220 because the adverts.
Yeah, 20 minutes advance.
So you might as well let go.
We'll leave at 1:45 so we can get there and get your popcorn and all that.
Yeah.
Your snack boxes.
Yeah. Not snack boxes, they're tiny.
Munch box. I got your munch box. I got popcorn, chocolate and a drink.
Yeah, but they're tiny though.
Oh, alright.
Can you get...
Nothing on it.
Huh? I know it's better than nothing.
The big
Last time, remember, me and you had a big popcorn thing last time.
we had a popcorn fight.
Alright, the Norse ready for takeoff. Trip...
787 this one.
Alright, 787 Boeing Norse ready for takeoff. It's going.
It's big, isn't it? Doesn't look like it's going fast enough.
It looks like it's going slow enough. You're on the road on it. One.
If someone knows what?
What time you ended this
Ollie.
It would have been good to see it.
I check the flight radar to see when it's coming.
Yeah, it won't see us from here. Is that it?
Easy.
It'll be around here.
It's a big one.
Oh, also
You
I
can see
jump
the
Mum.
site. Oh,
Mum, do you want to go to the other one and see the ones that are landing?
Yeah, should we go now?
Yeah, of course.
if we go now, yeah, then we'll have to. Yeah.
Yeah.
That will only show us ones coming
guys.
in. The exit will fly over us.
Yeah. Alright guys, if you've seen this video, we're going to a part 2 to see the landing planes.